This is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we're 2020 Haval H6 stock number 6637. This ran from the 7th 2016 and the 1st 2021. It has a BO1 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 19-inch factory aluminium tyre, dan door mirror. Left hand and left rear door no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory aluminium tyre. Left hand tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 19-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right rear door 1 dent. Right front door 1 dent. Right front door mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 19-inch factory aluminium tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,